Welcome to Orion Equus, the management tool designed specifically for farriers. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the horse planning module, a feature that's much smarter than a simple calendar. It's where you manage your appointments, invoices, and schedules, all in one place. A visual and intuitive interface. Each tile represents a horse and includes the horse's name, the owner, the stable, the intervention status, and most importantly, the billing status color codes give you a quick overview. Red, invoice unpaid. Yellow, intervention completed but not yet invoiced. Green, invoice paid. Gray, intervention planned but not yet completed. An intelligent and automated system. When you log an intervention, a shoeing, trim, or any service, the system automatically schedules the next one in 6 weeks based on the horse's cycle. If the intervention doesn't happen, every Sunday night, Orion Equus automatically reschedules any uncompleted appointments to the same day the following week. Fully connected to billing you can. View the invoice preview. Add a new shoeing. Assign a farrier and even invoice multiple horses from the same owner at once. Once an intervention is invoiced, it becomes locked. You can download the invoice, send it to the client, or mark it as paid, which automatically sends the paid invoice receipt. A personalized overview. Filter your planning by employee, or view all tours at once. Clicking on a horse gives you access to its full profile, with a complete history of past services and appointments. The result: with one single interface, you manage your interventions, shoeing cycles, billing, and client follow-ups. No need to juggle multiple tools. Orion Equus connects your craft, your clients, and your schedule. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon in the next tutorial.